In a significant stride towards bolstering Turkey's defense capabilities, the Anka-3 unmanned combat aerial vehicle has successfully completed its first flight carrying live ammunition. This remarkable achievement underlines the rapid advancements being made by Turkish aerospace industries as they continue to develop cutting-edge defense technologies domestically. The Anka-3, Turkey's first flying wing, deep strike stealth unmanned fighter jet, has been progressing rapidly since its inception. Following its maiden flight in December 2023 and a series of successful tests, including its first engine run in March 2023 and a critical flight test involving landing gear retraction in August 2024, the recent armed flight marks another major milestone. TAI General Manager Mehmet Demiroglu expressed immense pride, stating that the Anka-3's success continues to showcase the power it will provide to Turkey's defense. This state-of-the-art UCAV is designed for high-speed, stealth operations with several impressive specifications. It boasts a service altitude of up to 40,000 feet and can endure up to 10 hours of flight at 30,000 feet. With a maximum speed of 425 knots, 0.7 Mach, and a substantial payload capacity of 1,200 kilograms, the Anka-3 is well-equipped for a range of reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat missions. The jet engine-driven drone also features low radar visibility, making it a formidable asset in modern aerial warfare. The successful armed flight of the Anka-3 is more than just a technical accomplishment. It represents a strategic victory for Turkey. By advancing its domestic drone technology, Turkey is reducing its reliance on foreign suppliers and solidifying its position as a key player in the global defense industry. This development not only enhances Turkey's military capabilities but also has the potential to reshape regional military dynamics, signaling Turkey's growing influence on the global stage. As the Anka-3 continues to undergo rigorous testing and development, each successful milestone brings it closer to operational deployment. This cutting-edge UCAV is poised to play a crucial role in strengthening Turkey's defense posture and furthering its ambitions of achieving full independence in defense technology. What are your thoughts on the Anka-3's recent achievements? How do you think it will impact regional and global military strategies? Share your views in the comments section below.